Alright, so we have a new Vietnamese place. So we got some pho today. Here's a new Vietnamese place. It's literally half a mile down the street from us. How do you say that? Pho Dai Nam?
Pho Dai Nam,
Okay. So we went there and Daddy likes pho. I like the pho. So what they did is they put the shrimp in the oil, right? Kind of hit it. And
not the oil, that's a soup, Dada.
That's the soup.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. What's your name again?
I don't want to show the face.
Oh, okay, you don't want to show the face. Can we show the butt? Alright. There we go. This is how you eat pho in America. All you Vietnamese people, you don't know how to eat your pho. Let me show you how to eat pho. Alright, so you gotta cut everything up nice and good, nice and small. This is how you eat pho. See, this is what you're supposed to do. See, it doesn't come with an instruction manual, but I'm pretty sure this is what you're supposed to do.
Yeah. No one do like you see when my family eat pho, anyone do like this?
Yeah, you guys don't know how to eat your pho.
No.
I'm telling you, you don't know how to do it. This is
Only
how you eat
you,
pho.
the one in the world, do that. Okay?
I know. And Daddy's smart.
Not the right way to do.
This is the way you do it.
Let's do that.
So you tear all your food up. That's how you do it. When you get a pizza, you don't get one big piece of pepperoni in the middle of pizza, do you? What do? They cut up the pepperoni, get a little piece on each piece, right?
Dada.
A lot of different...
Dada, did you wash your hand yet?
Yeah.
What you do is...
Yeah. What you do is...
You should wash your hand before you touch the meat.
You know what? Will you let me eat my freaking...
Yeah,
food?
before you pick the meat like that, you have to wash your hand.
Oh, let me wipe it on your shirt. I'm gonna wipe it on your shirt. So, this is how you do it. All you Vietnamese people out there, I don't speak Vietnamese that well. Xin Lui, but this is how you do it. This is how, all you Vietnamese people out there.
Again? I can't hear
Xin Lui.
Jesus.
Yeah. Or Anh Em. There you go. There's my Vietnamese. Xin Lui, Anh Em. This is how you freaking eat Vietnamese food.
This is called
American Vietnamese pho. This is how you do it. This is how you do it, y'all. Look at that. Is that beautiful? So see, when you mix it up and you put it in the pho, every bite you get a bunch of different things. You get some meat on it, some shrimp, right? Am I right? I'm right.
Where you put
it? From now on, I'm bringing scissors with me to the pho restaurants.
Oh my.
I'm sick of it.
I
am going to modernize the pho industry. I'm going to modernize the way Vietnamese people should be eating this. Y'all, I hope people in Vietnam see this, because this is the way you do it. And it only makes sense. I mean, I'm just bringing common sense to the table here. Snap, 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 snap! Ah! There you go.
What the hell was you?
I just want to make sure you're awake. Vietnamese people, listen to me. I know. I'm smart. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. You mix it together. Now let's get this thing going. All right, let's heat it up.
Ready, Dada?
Oh, watch my fingers!
Jesus.
Yeah, pour it all over. Come on, get it around. Don't mess it up, girl. That's my pho. Yeah. That's my pho, not your pho. See, this is how you eat pho.
Dada, your food didn't mess it up.
All you people out there that think you know how to eat pho, you don't know how to eat pho. Let me show you. This is an instructional manual on how to eat pho. That's how you do it.
Yeah, the way for the people don't know how to use a chopstick, okay?
Yeah. Chopsticks, that's a medieval technology. It's not even technology. It's called a spoon. Okay? It's called a spoon. You're in America now. This isn't Vietnam. This is America. This is how you eat pho. Okay? But see, so every time you get a spoonful, right? You get all like onions and meat and shrimp, right? All diced up. It's yummy, right? This is called pho for smart people. Feel me? Ding! Ding! Well, here's an update. After about 10 or 12 spoonfuls, it's pretty darn good. I also got a Vietnamese coffee that I put in this canister. I am a massive Vietnamese coffee fan. The only problem is it makes me super hyper and makes me kind of crazy. Ma, does it make me crazy or do I act like a normal guy?
No.
Honey, what do you think about that Vietnamese coffee? Does Daddy like it or love it?
I'm crazy now. So
oh, thank you. There's a good testimonial for you. So the pho was pretty good. I'm almost done with the pho. So it didn't have a lot of shrimp like some of the other pho places, but it was good. I give it like a 7.25 out of 10. 7.25 out of 10 for the pho. It was pretty good. I was happy with it. And the Vietnamese coffee, I give it a 7 out of 10. It had too much cream in it, but I still liked it. Yeah, I could go back again. It's half a mile down the street from us. And again, here is the business card. There it is. So, all right, who's gonna do the dishes? I don't feel like doing the dishes. Ma, you gonna do the dishes? Hey, Diva. Diva.
Thank you for watching our video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bao Shao. Come on.